Lessons should be learned from problems with a French reactor that is very similar to one planned in the UK, says Britain's nuclear safety regulator. French regulators have been informed of manufacturing anomalies in components particularly important for safety at Flamanville 3 power plant, in Normandy. The reactor is similar to one planned for Hinkley Point, in Somerset. EDF Energy, involved in both projects, said a new series of tests was underway and it was working with regulators. An investigation revealed potential weaknesses in the steel used to make a safety casing around the reactor at Flamanville, near Cherbourg. Areva, which is building Flamanville 3 for EDF, says it is the first plant in the new French reactor fleet, and it includes Areva's new EPR reactor. The UK Office for Nuclear Regulation said it was aware of the French Nuclear Safety Authority's concerns about the reactor and would continue to liaise with French authorities. The UK currently have no EPR reactors but expects that learning from Flamanville 3 will be taken into account in the manufacture of components intended for the planned new reactor at Hinkley Point C, it said. In a joint statement, Areva and EDF said new tests were underway on the reactor vessel head and bottom. It said this followed initial tests which had shown greater than average carbon content, something French regulators said caused lower than expected mechanical toughness in the steel. EDF and Areva added, teams are working to perform the additional tests as soon as possible, following approval by the French Nuclear Safety Authority on the test conditions, and to provide the safety authority with all the necessary information to demonstrate the safety and quality of the corresponding equipment. The components in question have not yet been fitted at Hinkley, but it would cost money and could delay the project if they had to be entirely remade.